All right, it is like mid-summer doldrums right now. I think it's the last day of July, July 30th. We are fishing probably one of my favorite shallow water light tackle fluke techniques here. It's a 6-inch Berkeley Gulp jerk shad with a 1/4 ounce VMC boxer head jig. Let's see if we get the fluke to cooperate. Fishing the edge of a sandbar. Maybe, let's see where we're at. 7 feet of water. Jig, jig, drop. Let that thing float to the bottom. Watch your line for strikes. Jig, jig, drop. Sometimes I'll give it 3 jigs as a hit. Most likely a sea robin. Cast up to the bar. Let that thing come down off the bar. They'll be sitting on that ledge. Oh, there he is. There he is, right on the ledge. Not a big one. Far cast. Woo. Fighter. Not a big one. Oh, there he goes. One more time, right on the ledge there. I'm probably casting to 2 feet of water and it's dropping down to about 7. There he is. Oh, dropped him. Couple jigs. See if he comes back. Most of the time they do. Some people say it's not the same fish that comes back. I think it is. There he is. Oh, another hit gone. Watch that line. Alright, nothing on that one. There he is. Oh, on the retrieve. Probably sea robin. Yep. There we go. Now, I've got a little bit of a wind against tide situation here, but I'm not really drifting for these fluke. I'm trying to stay stationary. So in my situation, I prefer a wind against tide when I'm fishing these shallow drop-offs and shallow bars and points, because I want to stay still. I want to work these edges. I don't want to work down the channel. You know, I don't want to drift. I know where the fish are holding. You know, I'm not doing a 1/4 mile drift or a couple 100-yard drift. It's not worth it. These fish are holding tight to any change in structure. So I'm not getting as many hits as I expected with the 6-inch jerk shad today, which is very unusual. But the water is a little dirty. Sometimes I'll switch to the chartreuse. The old bottom hits here. But I might try a curly tail, because the water's so dirty that the extra vibration will kind of trigger them to look to see where the vibration's coming from. So, man, anything on those birds? Anything on the birds?
I didn't try.
No.
I don't think they're really anything really underneath.
Yeah. There he is. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's off. All right. They're a little picky. That one felt sort of decent. Probably still not a keeper yet. But drifting off the bar just a little bit. So when the water's kind of, I wouldn't say it's super dirty, but it's a little dirty. So when it's like this, I think this is more of a, like almost 99% a visual striking lure. It's not really a lateral line, sense vibration. So when the water's just a little dirty, I'll either switch to chartreuse, which I actually tried before and I wasn't really getting that many hits on either, or now I'm going to try either a curly tail or a paddle tail. And it doesn't necessarily have to be gulp. I do have some gulp paddle tails, but I think I'm going to try a curly tail first, probably in like the pink shine. Let's see where they are. Here we go. Oh, brand new. If you don't have a knife handy, you can just use your hook to open this up here. Oh, pink shine, 6-inch. Hopefully keep some of the smaller fish away. Same thing, 1/4 ounce jig head. That is all you need in 7 feet of water. Make sure you're not tangled. And I'm pretty close to that edge, so I'm just kind of going to flip it. 7 feet. Oh, as soon as it dropped. Look at that, huh? Little switch in color, but it's a sea robin. You're gonna get a lot of sea robins on the pink, that's for sure, but sometimes it's worth it because I will take my bigger fluke in the middle of the sea robins with a pink, something pink. He just inhaled it on the way down. Look at that. All right, so I wound up getting only sea robins on that pink shine, 6-inch pink shine. Like every cast was a sea robin. So instead of the 6-inch, I switched to an 8-inch curly tail grub, solid pink, on that same 1/4 ounce jig head. And it wound up being a pretty good choice because I kept most of those sea robins away, and I wound up catching a really, really nice fluke. When my GoPro batteries ran out, of course. See here, it went 25 inches. So don't be afraid to change things up. The jerk shad is an awesome bait. I catch a ton of fish, but if conditions aren't right for it, like the water was dirty, I was just getting small fish on them. Just get bigger bait, bigger fish. You know, it's sometimes that's not true, but especially if you're only getting small fish, switch to the bigger bait. Even though you're getting a ton of sea robins, because they'll hit huge baits, doesn't matter. Even if you're getting the sea robins, you're going to get the bigger fluke. So, hope you guys enjoyed this, and hope it helps you guys out a little bit. And thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks.